From the east side, old school caddies knock Duval funk, rattling the oak trees of Springfield, while the St. Johns River sings to the residents of Riverside, and Seven Bridges whisper their providence to cars riding on their backs. This is the sound of children, of laughter, of love, the hope for tomorrow planted in the seeds of today. This is the sound. This is the tune that soccer moms hum and commuters harmonize on their way to the urban core. The click-clack of high heels and dress shoes in business parks. The 4x4s with good old boys mudding in the woods. The zoom of fancy cars driving down Southside Boulevard. This is the sound. But it's also the sound of struggle, of loss. A wrestling with restlessness, with its fits and starts and slow-moving parts. This is the sound of frustration, the drumbeat of anger that dreams make, grinding up against the realities of today, with nowhere to go, with nowhere to go, and nowhere to go, and nowhere to go unless we plan. This is the sound of thought, the movement of tomorrow, where that big little city becomes what you make it, where the dots connect cause you're connected. This is the sound of participation, of civil engagement. This is the sound, this is the sound, this is the sound of your voice, of your voice, of your voice. From now to 2025, this is the sound of the city as you make it.